So in this course, I'm going to teach you about physics research methodology as taught by Professor Soumitra Banerjee in an NPTEL course. Um, so this is the first lecture of the module 1. So here he said that there will be 3 modules in this course, and the module 1 will actually be teaching about he actually taught about the philosophy of science, where he discussed the difference between subjective thinking and objective thinking, then idealism and materialism, then causality, logical thinking methods, then history of development of ideas. And in module 2, he talked about how research is actually done, the actual methodology of research, then forming how to form hypothesis, then how to do or perform and how to interpret these scientific measurements, and the actual testing of hypothesis, the statistical glimpses and all that, how um, the measurements are used to actually test the hypothesis, and he talked about theoretical research. Well, so in module 3, the scientific community and ethics, then writing papers and PhD thesis, then the presentation, how to present in conferences and writing grant proposals, and ethics of science. So so here in module 1, he talked about the scientific method. It is a method that is actually created by trial and error for answering what we don't know about the universe. So this scientific method is has actually been, formulated or made up by a trial and error process. Well, and according to it, or according to science, personal experiences doesn't matter in science, but the collective experience of observation is considered in science. That collective experience means a collective experience of many people. So data is kind of observation or something, or some, how to define data, well, or to explain data is something that is obtained about something, some information about something. When it is organized, crystallized and systematized, then it is known as, or it is called as, knowledge. And science actually helps in doing this. And so what is social science? In case of social science also, this same methodology is used, but in this particular course we'll be focusing on the natural sciences. That's it.